Anarchy literally means without rule, a condition where no supreme authority exists. In domestic contexts, it implies that no power is above the individual or group. In international relations, it means that no authority stands above sovereign nation-states. However, the word anarchy is often negatively associated with chaos, lawlessness, and violence. In contrast, anarchist ideology sees anarchy not as disorder but as the basis for peaceful and stable social organization. According to anarchists, the absence of coercive authority can lead to harmony, not collapse. Significance. The idea of anarchy has had a major impact on political theory and international relations. In political theory, it's often used to justify the need for a state. Social contract theorists like Thomas Hobbes and John Locke argued that, without a sovereign state, people would live in a dangerous and violent state of nature. According to Hobbes, anarchy would lead to a war of all against all, where life would be brutal and insecure. Therefore, people accept the authority of the state as a rational choice to escape chaos and protect liberty. In international politics, similar ideas date back to Thucydides and are foundational to realist theory, which views global politics as inherently anarchic. From the 1970s neorealism, or structural realism, advanced this view further by focusing not just on states but on the structure of the international system itself. Neorealists argue that anarchy at the global level leads to 1. A self-help system where each state relies only on its own capabilities. 2. A security dilemma where states mistrust one another's intentions, increasing tension and the likelihood of conflict, even if no one seeks war. Thus, international anarchy breeds uncertainty, competition, and persistent insecurity because no overarching authority exists to enforce peace or mediate disputes. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it valuable. Your support truly means a lot.